My name is Sadiq Khan Dilwai. I'm the regional manager managing 3 states for HP, that is Rajasthan, MP and CG. I manage the complete end-to-end point business of HP in these 3 states. We in Jaipur have one of our largest partners, BB Professional, who has been associated with HP for the last 20 years.
I'm Ashim Bhasin, CEO and founder director of BB Professionals. With over 30 years of experience and more than 20 years of association with HP, BB Professionals has grown to become trusted premium technology partner for industry's leading brands like HP. We would say that HP runs in our blood today, and the kind of association we have had a lot of support from HP from time to time. HP is a partner-centric organization, and we really value their partner approach. Their 100% business runs through partners only. HP ZBook Firefly mobile workstations are meant for those customers who want to push their limits of performance.
HP ZBook Firefly has been our flagship product for more than a year's time. For high-end power users, it provides the reliability, it provides the security to perform at their workplace.
I am Ajay Datta, MD, Data Group of Industries and founder and CEO of Data Engineers Global Limited. We are associated with a partner, BB Professionals in Jaipur.
BB Professional have always been on the front foot in giving the right solution to our partners, and the education that HP wants to impart to its customers, BB Professional has always been there.
So it's like marriage. If you spend 25 years, you go ups and downs, but you come out clean, you come out with a commitment, you come out where you can work together.
They have been very close to our customers during these pandemic times. They have been asking the customers about their difficulties, how can the users have a great experience of working, and I think that is why they have been able to do such phenomenally well during these pandemic times.
I believe the trust builds more when there is a difficulty and you are taken care. And this is what is required.
We have different screen size to suit the customer's requirement in terms of 13-inch, 14-inch, 17-inch, and we have different processor types which can really help a consumer do its work properly.
I think HP devices gives you a peace of mind from the perspective of device stability, where you are supposed to use those devices to provide services to the customers. And HP has proved that these devices are quite solid, consistent, and delivers as promised.
All our stakeholders know BB Professional and their promoters so well. I think it's just a phone call away where the promoter of BB Professional can call us, our management, and take a headwind of what is happening across both the organizations.
They were able to successfully build the trust in the consumer's mind, and that's the reason when there is a need, the number which will come in your mind or the name which will come in your mind is a BB Professional one whom you will dial and tell him requirement and they get fulfilled.
We thank HP for taking us along in our journey of association for last over 20 years, and we look forward to a great future ahead.
I think we have a great symbiotic relationship with BB Professional, and that will continue in the future as well.